Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Happy Monday. I hope your week is going well so far. I just got back from Starbucks. I'm starting my day with some coffee, and then now I am recording this video since it's supposed to go up later today. I wanted to mention that I will be getting my nails done soon. I know you guys are probably sick of seeing the same nails every single week, plus they are very grown out. I'm actually in the process of trying to grow out my nails. I don't usually get my nails done, so when we went to go get our nails done for Go Wild, it was probably like my third time ever getting my nails done. And when we were getting them done, before I even knew what was happening, the nail tech actually cut all of my nails very short because she thought I was getting acrylic, but I was not. So that is why like the design is literally so short, because my nails were as short as can possibly be. I'm not super familiar with acrylics, so that's why I prefer to get nails on my natural nails. So I'm currently growing them out, and I'm going to Coachella next month, so I'm hoping to grow them out a little bit more and then get some new designs on them before I go to Coachella. That is my current nail dilemma, so you will be seeing these nails a little bit longer, probably for the next couple of weeks, and then hopefully I will have some new nails. I'm actually thinking of doing some green nails next time. I really like the nude base color on these nails, but I'm thinking of doing some kind of different design on top of it. So enough about my nails, let's go ahead and get started with this week's Chill Art Tuesday. I am going to be swatching this week's Chill Art Tuesday collection. As you can see, it is Honeybee themed, and I believe this is actually one of our best-selling collections from last year, so I thought we have to bring it back for spring this year. Before I jump into it, I will mention the foil colors that we are offering for this collection this week. So first up, of course, we have our fun foil, which is this really pretty gold glitter, and this is what I will be using for the flip through and for the swatches. And then of course we also have our classic 3 foil colors. So here is our gold, and I won't be doing swatches of our other foils just because I don't want this video to be a million years long, and I feel like everyone pretty much knows what these classic 3 foils look like already. So yeah, I won't be doing swatches for those, but just know that they are available. So we always get asked which foil color do we recommend getting, and I feel like gold is usually the most popular, either gold or the fun foil, and I think it really depends on what planner spread or what planner kit you're gonna use with these foils. So what I would do is I would take a look at what kits you have planned to use in the near future, and then just grab whichever foil color matches the best with it. That way you know you're going to use the foils with which spread, and it's honestly just a better use of your money. So now let's go ahead and get into the flip through. So I believe we have 20 some designs this week, and here is in the gold glitter, which is personally my favorite foil of this week. So first up, we have some matching date dots. These are floral wreath date dots. Super cute and pretty. It is a little bit hard to see with the glitter, but they are very detailed in person. And then we have these gorgeous light bulb flowers. These are so cute and perfect for any springtime spread. Then of course we have some honeybee themed date dots. They are just these really cute little bee trails. So cute. Next we have some honeybee halves. Look at that glitter. I'm absolutely obsessed. Then we have some Honeybee headers. Next, we have Honeybee Dance, and I want to say this was the most popular design from last year. I did reformat it a little bit so that you get more on the sheet, but yeah, definitely very popular. Next, we have beehive borders, and I feel like these would be really cute as date toppers. They're very pretty. Next, gotta have some garlands, of course. So we have some honeybee garlands. Then you can really see the foil in this one. We have some honey drips. Then we have some honeycomb deco. Again, so gorgeous, this foil color. Next, we have these honeybee stamps, and I call them stamps because they kind of remind me of wax seals almost. Obviously, they're not in the shape of like a pressed wax seal, but kind of just gave me similar vibes, so that is why they are called honey stamps. Then we have these really gorgeous bee dividers. These are so many and cute, and I feel like these would be really cute layered on some smaller square boxes. Next, we have some florals. So we have these mason jar florals. Really cute. Then we have these beautiful dividers. These are called forget-me-not dividers. And I think these will be layered really well with some scalloped stickers, some scalloped half boxes. Next, we have a different set of headers. These are honeybee confetti headers. And then we have honeybee confetti, which these are so tiny. I would recommend getting some tweezers, some really sharp tweezers to pick these up because seriously, they are very, very small. And then the last design in the small sheet are these mini bee decos, and it's a little bit hard to see with all of the glitter, but each row is a different type of bee. So that is that. And then moving into some of the full boxes. First up, we have some honeybee quotes. These are more honey related, bee related. And then we also have this set of more spring related quotes. And then last but not least, we have some of these honey drip full boxes. And then there are also little bees on here. Those are all 20-something designs that we have for this week. Let me know your thoughts on the foil selection. Okay, so now I will get into swatching these honeybee stickers. So while I'm doing the swatches, I figured I would give you guys the $2 Tuesday information again. So we always offer free US shipping on orders over $40. And this only applies to the $3.95 shipping tier. If you order anything heavy like a washi bundle or a monthly kit bundle, the free shipping will not apply to those items. We also offer Afterpay for orders over $35. It'll split your order into multiple payments spread out over time. If you've used Afterpay before, I'm sure you are familiar with it. And then our $2 Tuesday collection is only available Tuesday through Thursday. So if you are eyeing anything from this collection, don't wait until Thursday night. We typically will take the items down on Friday morning, but I always just say Thursday so that you guys don't accidentally miss out. If you have any $2 Tuesday suggestions, theme suggestions, I would love to hear them. We're always open to doing new designs, so definitely let me know if you have any collections that you want to see in the future. We do have some summer ones planned and coming up soon. We also have Pride, graduation, things like that. Those are coming next month. I figured music over the swatches part is a little bit boring, so I figured I would do a little talking segment during this part and give you guys some shop updates. So I believe today is Monday, so our new podcast episode went live today. I honestly have no idea what this episode was about. We pre-recorded a whole bunch of episodes in advance because Lucy is actually out of office this whole week. She is on her honeymoon in Iceland, so that is why we had to pre-record a few episodes. I'm also going to be out of town for 2 Fridays this upcoming month, April, and we typically record our podcast episodes on Fridays, so that is why we did record quite a few episodes in advance. So I think Lucy has actually been taking a whole bunch of photos in Iceland, so hopefully we can do an Iceland photo kit. I feel like that would be really cool. I'm excited to see what photos she took. We did our own photo kit last year when we went to Hawaii, and it turned out really good, so I'm excited to see what photos she has taken. And the camera is saying that it is about to overheat, so hopefully I'm done with the swatches and you guys can continue on with the rest of the video. Okay, so here is the gold glitter foil all swatched out. I tried to do a few of the different designs on each sheet, and this is how it turned out. I'm absolutely obsessed with just the gold glitter. I think it looks so good. I think this would pop really well with just a plain gold sticker kit. So that is this week's $2 Tuesday collection. Let me know your thoughts on all of the different designs, which one you liked, which one you didn't. I would love to know in the comments. These will go live at 9 a.m. Pacific on Tuesday, and I will leave a link for you to go and check them out. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I will see you guys on Thursday for this week's new releases. Bye!